Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So the material I have here comes in two years. That one is 2 years and the upper one is 2 years. It didn't come together as 4 years. It came as 2 years, 2 years. So I fold into two. I fold this into two and place on top this way. Full length is 55 inches. For the full length, 55 inches. So I will add 2 inches to hem on the down parts and to sew on the shoulder. So this 55 inches, I will measure 2 years, that is 57 inches. I will use 1.5 to hem on the bottom and use 1/2 inch to sew on the shoulder. I'm going to cut the shoulder and the sleeve together. So the measurement here is 23.5 inches, which is enough. And I will place my tape this way and measure round sleeve 16 inches. 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches, which is here. And I'm going to add for sewing allowance. So I measure from here to here 10 inches. I will sew here with 1/2 inch, then I will sew the remaining this place with 1.5 inch, just like that. So the only place I'm going to trim is the down part. So like I said, I measure 57 inches. So down part here, I'm going to measure 16 inches. So I will mark. It's going to come this way, just like this. I'm going to cut now. But before I cut, I will measure neckline 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. Placing my tape, the back and front neck is the same. So I will measure from top here down. I will measure 4.5 inches. Like this. I will cut back and front this way. I'm going to use machine bias to turn the neck, but before I do that, I will first join the shoulder and the sleeve together. I will join the shoulder and the sleeve together and shoulder and the sleeve together before I use machine bias to turn the neck. I join the shoulder stroke the sleeve and I hem around sleeve. So I have my bias here. I will place on my machine this way and I will fold the bias into two, place this way and sew round. After sewing, I will bring it to the back this way and stitch on top. After doing that, I will join the two sides together. I will join the two sides together, then measure 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches here. I will measure 8 inches and sew all the way down and do the same on this side, 8 inches and sew all the way down. Then I will hem the bottom. I will show you the finished look. I'm done turning the neck, and I sew the two sides in. I hem the down parts. So this is the shape. It's wide on the shoulder bust area and is not too wide here. You can see the difference. This is the down part. It's getting wider. So this is the shape. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.